One day, Little Spider had a new idea. She made a sign. Small orders only, 1 coin each. Hee, this will be super easy. Soon, a little mouse came. Hello, I want a small hat. Of course, too easy, Little Spider said. She made it in a flash. But then, she turned around. So many mice! Me too, they shouted. Little Spider blinked. So many small orders? She had to keep working. 1 hat, 2 hats, 10 hats, 50 hats. My hands, she cried. All day, she worked and worked. At night, she fell down tired. But then, she looked at the table. Coins! So many shiny coins! Wait! Small orders make big money! Like and follow.